CRTC Electronics, and in this tutorial we're going to learn how to link a button that you set up through XML on your Android to a pin on a yo-yo. There's a couple steps here. First of all, you need to create your button in the XML file. Then in Java, you need to create a variable. You need to declare a variable. So let's just name this variable, declare it, and we'll call it button R, because we're going to have an RGB LED, and the button R will be for the red. We'll have RGB right here. Then once you created this, and once you've declared this, you link the two. Okay? Now, same thing with your yo-yo. You get a button, you get a pin over here. Let's just take pin 33, that one right there. So the first thing you need to do is create or declare the variable, and we're going to call this pin R for the red pin. Then once you have the two, you link the two. Okay, so just to repeat, the first thing you do, create the button. Second thing you do, create the variable. Third thing you do, link them. Then repeat. You get a pin off a yo-yo, which is bring the yo-yo board over. Number 2, create the variable. Number 3, link them. Now that in your Java you have these two variables that are linked to the physical world, say, you can do what you want with them. Now you have complete control over that button. You can turn it on, off, disable it, make it invisible, whatever. Also with this pin, you can do whatever you want with that, which is basically turn it off or on. But you can do either one of them now that you have this one. So let's look at a tiny bit of code, how you actually interact with the two in the Java code. This button right here, which is button R underscore is what I called it, has the ability to see if it's checked. So you do button R underscore, then you call is checked, and that will give us a true or a false. If the button is pushed, it'll say true. If the button is false, it'll say false. Then we're going to take whatever that returns us, and we're going to stick that into the pin. And our pin is called pin R underscore. And on that pin, you can write to it, and the function is write. So this is the code that will take whatever the pin is, whatever the button is, and stick it into the pin. So then you turn on and off, and that pin will turn on and off. So here's the code for that. Here we are declaring. I've got 3 different buttons we're going to declare. Then I'm linking 3 different buttons. There's the code for that. See if I can zoom in just a tiny bit more. Then 3 different pins. We declare the variable. Then we link the two, the pin with the physical pin on the board. And then at the bottom, we do something with those. Okay, I hope that makes things more clear. Thanks. Bye.